Jamaican patty.
Oh, yes, sir. See, this is my new recipe.
Mm.
It is a combination of different things, right? So you got some cream cheese in here, some salmon cream cheese to really give it that, to like if it gets a little dried out, it gives a little moisture. You got your fridge salad, just in case you're like, I'm feeling I want some vegetables in here. It's practically a burger. It has different kinds of things: carrots, lettuce, red lettuce. And it has relish in it. It is a combination of many things combined in together to make a nice burger patty. It is very delicious. There's so many different variations of this. And you can just eat this up, and it's like it's a good morning. It says hello to you. Says hello to you when you just open it up. That's how delicious this patty is. I make them anytime I got a patty. This is some good food.
Oh my
Gordon
god.
Ramsay would be jealous about this. Like he'd be asking me for my recipe. So, it's a nice way to put a spin on a regular patty to, get out there and just like, it's an artistic feeling inside a patty. I know a lot of people don't feel the same way, but I feel it's an artistic way to say, this is a regular patty and this is a twist. A new generation, millennial generation, right?
But you're not Jamaican.
Shh. Don't let them know. Yeah.
How many times you've been to Jamaica?
I've been to Jamaica just once. But in this household, it's always Jamaica. In this patty, it always will be a Canadian Jamaican mix. It's creativity in a sandwich. And it's a sandwich of creativity. This one here just doesn't look like it. But normally there are better versions of this. When I get the time, when I'm not trying to sneak in different recipes into one thing. This is just the quick made, throw them all together, but I really take some time and craft these things. Even sometimes I put a bagel on it, just bagel on top of bagel. It beats out the KFC chicken Cheetos, KFC Cheetos sandwich, and anything else that is out there that people are making. This is high tier that no one else can get.
Oh my god. Alright, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, alright, continue having your patty.
I will do.
And I hope you get a chance to go back to Jamaica.
Oh, I'm not gonna do it like Jamaica though.
Okay.